You walk into an auto parts store to buy an oil filter for your Toyota, and you're faced with a wall of options. The parts guy tries to upsell you on a $22 premium filter. Your buddy swears by the $18 Wix. The dealership wants $14 for the OEM Toyota filter. And there's a $6 budget option sitting right there. You're wondering if triple the money gets you triple the protection, or if you're just paying for a fancy box and marketing hype. If you care about protecting your vehicle with real facts instead of marketing hype, hit that subscribe button right now. Today, I'm settling this by cutting open a genuine Toyota OEM filter and a Wix filter after identical service intervals. One of these filters is legitimately better. The other is a waste of money. Let's find out which is which. The Toyota OEM oil filter is not actually manufactured by Toyota. It's contract manufactured by Denso, a major Japanese automotive supplier. Wix is an American manufacturer now owned by MAN plus Hummel. They have an excellent reputation among mechanics for quality construction. I ran both filters for 6,000 miles in identical 2020 Toyota Camrys. Same oil, same driving conditions, same change interval. Let's cut open the Toyota OEM filter first. I'm using a filter cutter to slice through the canister. First thing I'm checking, end cap material. The OEM filter uses metal end caps on both the top and bottom. The OEM filter uses a nitrile rubber anti-drainback valve. It's still pliable with no cracking after 6,000 miles. The pleats are evenly spaced and uniform. There are 58 pleats in this filter with a height of 1.5 inches. The OEM filter's bypass spring has moderate tension. I can compress it with finger pressure, but it takes effort. Overall, the Toyota OEM filter performed exactly as designed with no failures. It protected the engine adequately. Now let's cut open the Wix filter. Wix uses metal end caps just like the OEM filter, no advantage here. Wix uses a silicone anti-drainback valve instead of nitrile. Silicone is superior because it stays flexible across wider temperatures. Wix uses full synthetic media. It has 62 pleats compared to 58 in the OEM filter, giving 7% more surface area. Wix uses a slightly stiffer bypass spring. This keeps oil flowing through the media longer before unfiltered oil bypasses. This Wix filter shows measurable construction advantages: better valve material, more surface area, and full synthetic media. So does that mean Wix is definitively better and worth the extra cost? Let's break down what these differences actually mean for your engine. The silicone anti-drain back valve in Wix is a legitimate upgrade. Silicone maintains flexibility better than nitrile rubber over time and across temperature extremes. If you're running extended oil change intervals, 7,500 to 10,000 miles, or operating in very cold climates where cold start protection is critical, Wix's silicone valve provides better dry start prevention. For normal 5,000 to 6,000 mile intervals in moderate climates, both valves work fine, but Wix has an edge. The full synthetic media in Wix versus synthetic blend in OEM gives Wix better filtration efficiency. Wix can capture smaller particles in the 15 to 20 micron range, while OEM captures particles in the 20 to 25 micron range. Smaller particles cause wear over time, so finer filtration theoretically provides better long-term protection. But here's the reality. Both filters exceed the minimum filtration requirements for this engine. The difference between 20 micron and 25 micron filtration is incremental, not transformative. Your engine will be adequately protected with either filter. The higher pleat count in Wix, 62 versus 58, gives approximately 7% more dirt holding capacity. That means Wix can capture more contamination before clogging and going into bypass. For extended intervals or severe service, that's beneficial. For normal 5,000 mile changes, it's overkill. Both filters have plenty of capacity for 6,000 mile service. The stiffer bypass spring in Wix keeps the filter operating in filtration mode longer before bypassing. That's good assuming the filter media has adequate capacity, which it does. But it also means if the filter does clog, say you neglect an oil change and run 15,000 miles, the Wix filter will create higher restriction. The OEM filter will bypass earlier, which protects the engine from oil starvation even if filtration is bypassed. So Wix has measurable construction advantages. Better valve material, finer filtration, more capacity. But do those advantages matter enough to justify 30 to 50% higher cost? That depends on your oil change interval and driving conditions. If you're changing oil every 5,000 miles with quality synthetic oil, The Toyota OEM filter is completely adequate. You're not extending intervals long enough to stress the filter or exploit Wix's additional capacity. The OEM filter will protect your engine perfectly well and save you $4 to $6 per oil change. Over 10 oil changes, that's $40 to $60 saved. If you're extending intervals to 7,500 or 10,000 miles, Wix's superior anti-drainback valve, synthetic media, and higher capacity provide real benefits. The filter is under stress for a longer period and Wix's construction advantages become meaningful. The extra cost is justified by the longer service life. If you're in severe service conditions, towing, extreme temperatures, dusty environments, frequent short trips, Wix's finer filtration help handle the contamination. The engine is working harder and producing more wear particles and combustion byproducts. Wix can capture and hold more of that contamination before saturating. If you're building an engine for longevity, you plan to keep your Toyota for 200,000 plus miles, and you want every advantage, Wix is worth the investment. The cumulative benefit of finer filtration over 100,000 miles could measurably reduce bearing wear and extend engine life. But if you're leasing, trading in at 60,000 miles, or just maintaining a daily driver on normal intervals, OEM is perfectly fine. Here's what I'm not recommending. Cheap filters from no-name brands. The $6 filter on the shelf is not equivalent to OEM. Cheap filters use cardboard end caps, nitrile valves that degrade quickly, cellulose paper media with low capacity and weak bypass springs. They'll work for 3,000 miles, but they're not engineered for 5,000 plus mile service with synthetic oil. Don't save $6 and risk engine damage. Stick with OEM or quality aftermarket brands like Wix, Mobil 1, Purolator, or Bosch. These manufacturers have quality control and proper materials. Here's my specific recommendation for Toyota owners. If you're changing oil every 5,000 to 6,000 miles, use genuine Toyota OEM filters. They're requirements, and they cost less than premium aftermarket options. Buy them in bulk online. You can get multi-packs for $8 to $10 each. If you're extending to 7,500 miles or longer, if you're in severe service, or if you're building for maximum longevity, use Wix. The superior anti-drainback valve, full synthetic media, and higher capacity justify the premium price when the filter is under extended stress. Regardless of which filter you choose, change your oil conservatively. Don't push 10,000-mile intervals just because the oil bottle says you can. Modern turbocharged engines with direct injection put stress on oil that wasn't typical in older engines. 5,000 to 6,000 miles with quality synthetic oil and a quality filter will keep your Toyota running strong for 200,000 plus miles. Always use the correct filter part number for your specific engine. Toyota uses different filters for different engines. 4 cylinders, V6S, hybrids all have specific part numbers. Check your owner's manual or look up the correct part number before buying. Lubricate the filter gasket before installation. Use a small amount of clean oil on the rubber seal. This ensures proper sealing and prevents the gasket from tearing during installation or sticking during removal. This is basic but critical. Hand tighten the filter only. Don't use a filter wrench for installation. Tighten until the gasket contacts the engine block. Then, turn another 3/4 to 1 full turn by hand. Over-tightening crushes the gasket. 3/4 turn past contact is the standard. Here's the bottom line. I cut open a Toyota OEM filter and a Wix filter after identical 6,000-mile service in the same engine. The OEM filter performed adequately with metal construction, functional anti-drainback valve, and synthetic blend media. Wix showed measurable advantages with silicone anti-drainback valve, full synthetic media, and higher pleat count. For normal intervals, OEM is adequate and offers better value. For extended intervals or maximum longevity, Wix justifies the premium price. What oil filter are you currently using on your Toyota? Drop your model, filter brand, and mileage in the comments. If this side-by-side comparison helped you choose the right filter, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, hit that button now.